Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a week and a half before the 4th of July, so I must drop this video. I've been working like crazy, so I haven't had time, but I put it all together really quick for you in case you may want to recreate it for your 4th of July celebration. All right, here it is. We're gonna start with the vinyl that we are gonna place on this side right here. So blue with the stars and stripes. Ready?
There's not enough on that. We gotta use this.
Okay. Are you gonna stay in the front while I'm taping? Boy, move.
I don't know already.
We are going to finish up the flag with the stars, of course, 50 of them. And these are actually felt. I found these very cheap. I think it comes in a packet of 50 exactly. I could have technically made them out of vinyl because I have a Cricut machine, but I have a lot of work this week and this was like just really easy to buy and just put it on. I'm going to be using some glue dots and they're gonna go on there. Okay. Good job, Patrick. All right, guys, this is set. Make sure to watch tomorrow so I can show you how I made this garland using this balloon tape. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to comment and let me know what you thought of this video. Until next time, bye.